A Beijing-based company just released the largest free AI model ever made available to the public. It's called Kimi K3, 2.8 trillion parameters, open source, free for commercial use. And there's one specific way to configure it that turns it into a client deliverable machine. I'm showing you that part at the end because once you see it, you'll understand why most people never get results with tools like this even when they have access to them. I'm Paul James. I help solo operators build service businesses using AI tools they can actually afford to run. If you got value from this, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want the complete system for turning free AI tools into predictable daily income, my The Daily Deposit course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That pricing is only live for people coming from this video, so grab it while it's showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you're heading over to take advantage of that price. I want to see who's in. Here's the thing most people don't realize about enterprise-grade AI platforms. The ones charging you $200 a month for access to their top-tier models, they're betting you'll pay before you've landed your first client. That's the subscription tax in action. And I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A monthly bill before the first invoice arrived wasn't something I could absorb. That's exactly why Kimi K3 matters. Moonshot AI just handed solo operators the same capability those paid platforms lock behind a paywall for free. And if you've noticed that the tools pushed hardest in most agency programs also happen to pay the person recommending them, well, that's worth knowing before you hand over your card. What makes this different is what I call the infinite context framework. Most AI models hit a wall when you feed them too much information at once. K3 was built to process 1 million tokens in a single session. That's the equivalent of an entire novel plus supporting documentation in one conversation without losing track of what you asked it 3 hours ago. The model runs 2.8 trillion parameters but only activates 16 expert teams per task out of 896 available. That selective activation is how it stays fast even when the workload is massive. The technical term is mixture of experts architecture. What it means for you is you can throw entire client briefs, brand guidelines, competitor research, and product specs into one session, and it holds all of it in memory while it works. Think about what that actually looks like for someone offering content creation services to local businesses. One prompt, entire month of social posts generated simultaneously. Every caption tied to the same brand voice. Every post formatted for the platform it's hitting. The analysis used to take hours of back and forth with a standard AI assistant. With Kimi K3, it takes one session and the tool costs nothing to run. That's a $600 a month retainer built on free infrastructure. Let's keep building. The real advantage is not just producing more content, it is keeping every deliverable connected to the same source material. If the client changes an offer, updates a product, or adjusts their brand voice, you do not have to rebuild everything from scratch. You update the information inside the session and ask K3 to revise the affected pieces. That makes monthly content management much easier because the project context is already loaded and organized. Now here's where this gets actually useful. The benchmark scores 93.5% on scientific reasoning tasks, 91.2% on web browsing workflows, 88.3% on coding challenges. Those numbers tell you it works, but there's a version of this workflow that runs 3 times faster and almost nobody sets it up this way. Give me 90 seconds. The model is live right now on multiple platforms. You can access it through the Kimi website directly or run it locally if you have the hardware. What matters for someone running a service business is which capabilities you stack on top of it to turn raw output into a client deliverable. Let me show you 3 services this unlocks immediately. First, landing page design and copywriting. A gym owner needs a new landing page for a membership campaign. You feed K3 the existing site, the offer details, and 3 competitor pages. It generates the full wireframe, the headline options, the body copy, the CTA placements. You hand that to a basic page builder, and the client has a live page in under 2 hours. That's a $1,000 build. Most web design platforms with AI features charge monthly just to access the generator. Your version runs for free. Second, support documentation and knowledge bases. A small software company has a product with no user guide. Their support inbox is drowning. You take the product specs, the FAQ list, and 10 support tickets. Feed all of it into K3 in one session. It builds the entire help center structure, categorized, searchable, written in plain language. You charge $1,500 for the setup and a small monthly retainer to keep it updated. Platforms that offer this capability bundle it inside enterprise plans that cost more per month than your client is paying you total. Your stack costs $0 to operate. This also creates an ongoing update service. Every month, the client sends you new support questions, product changes, or internal procedures. You add those materials to the same project, ask K3 to identify what needs updating, and deliver a refreshed version of the knowledge base. Instead of selling one document and walking away, you can offer continued maintenance without spending hours rereading every file manually. Third, content repurposing at scale. A consultant records a 1-hour webinar, needs it turned into 10 LinkedIn posts, 5 email newsletters, and a blog series. You upload the transcript to K3. It extracts the key points, rewrites them for each format, and maintains voice consistency across every piece. That's a $1,200 content package delivered in an afternoon. Most content creation platforms with this kind of intelligence charge a subscription before you've written a single post for a client. K3 doesn't. Another service this unlocks is proposal writing. A marketing consultant can upload a client's discovery notes, meeting transcript, pricing options, and project requirements into one conversation. K3 organizes everything into a professional proposal with a project scope, timeline, deliverables, and next steps. Instead of spending hours pulling information together from different documents, the consultant reviews the draft, makes a few edits, and sends it to the client the same day. That's another high-value service built on the same workflow. And listen, if you haven't already grabbed the daily deposit course at that viewer price, it's linked in the description below, under $30 instead of $197. That pricing won't last. Drop a comment and let me know if you're heading over to grab it. I want to see who's taking action on this. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here's what that looks like in practice. A solo operator offering social media management picks up a local coffee shop as a client. Month 1, they're building posts manually, spending 3 hours per week on content. They find Kimi K3, they load the entire brand guideline document, 6 months of past captions, and the Q4 product launch schedule into one session. They tell it to generate 30 days of content formatted for Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. The output matches the brand voice perfectly because the context window held everything. The operator delivers the full calendar in 90 minutes instead of 12 hours. The client renews at $400 a month. The tool didn't cost the operator anything. That's the leverage most people miss, and once the operator has that workflow built, it can be reused for the next client. The role instructions stay similar, the output structure stays similar, only the brand documents and business information change. That means the second client takes less time than the first, and the third takes less time than the second. You are not starting over every month. You are building a repeatable production system that becomes faster each time you use it. Now, here's the configuration piece I promised you at the start. Most people take a tool like this and just start prompting. That's where it breaks. The 1 million token context window only matters if you structure your input correctly. Here's what actually works. You open with a role assignment, tell it exactly what kind of expert it's operating as. Then you load all supporting materials in one block. Brand docs, competitor examples, product specs, whatever context it needs. Then you give it the task with output specifications, format, tone, length, structure. The model will hold all of that and cross-reference it as it works. When you skip the role assignment or feed context in stages, it forgets pieces. When you structure it this way, it delivers like a senior team member who's been briefed properly. That's the difference between output you can hand to a client and output you have to rewrite 3 times. Picture what changes when this is your default workflow for every one of these services. You're not paying a monthly subscription to access enterprise AI. You're not waiting for responses from a rate-limited assistant. You load the brief, you get the deliverable, you bill the client. The free stack just became your entire production engine. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.